As a lifelong iPhone user, I never thought I'd turn back. Until the Fold. It was quite the transition with all the different customization options, but after having the phone for a while, I'm so glad I took the plunge. Let's get into my top 8 tips and tricks I wish I knew day one. That I did when I got my phone was go to the settings and turn some things off. This is going to be a hot take, but I actually decided to turn off the edge panel. I know it looks super useful, but I did not like that ever-present sidebar right there. So I went on over to the settings and went to display, and you could turn it off by going right there. That is super easy. And while we're here, I also changed the taskbar. So usually you can just show 2 apps, but I changed it to 4 most recent apps that I have. And this is actually a feature that just came out on this phone. I'm not sure if you could do it with the older one. This might be directly just for this phone. Along with that, I turned on the show and hide with touch. That way, if I want to hide this bar at the bottom, I just hold it and it's gone. I hold it and it comes back. That way it's not always there when I'm watching a video or something. Next, we have a super useful app called Good Lock. I think this is a level up from the Edge panel. I use it right here, and I have all my apps here that I need, that I use frequently. This is to go to the last page, as well as seeing the settings, because it is hard to reach the settings if you are holding the phone in one hand. In order to get all that, you just download Good Lock. You hit the one-hand operation right here, and you can customize it to however you'd like it. That's what I have, but you can totally have some different things in there. One of the things that I love about the iPhone is the live photos. I thought if I changed to Samsung that I wouldn't be able to have that anymore, but that is not the case. You can toggle this feature right here. It will turn right on. This means that motion photo is on. It's one time. If you keep it on, it stays on. Don't need to turn it on for every single photo. I'll show you how it works. This is what a live photo looks like. Super easy, simple. I recently went to a concert and didn't realize that I needed to turn it on. So a little disappointed that the photos aren't live, but you live and you learn, and you don't need to make that mistake, because I did. Another feature that I had to add when I got the phone was multi-window for all apps. It's definitely a lifesaver. Sometimes you have an app and you want to split screen it, but it won't let you. It says it's not supported. What I did is go on over to Advanced Settings, Labs, and turn on multi-window for all apps. This way, it forces the app to work. Sometimes it says that it might not work perfectly, but from what I've found, it's perfectly fine. One thing I really liked about the iPhone was the night shift. It was super easy to turn on a schedule, and it yellowed out the screen, making it easier to see at night, more comfortable, easier to get to bed. And I wasn't sure if that was going to be available on the Samsung, but it's pretty easy. You go to display within settings and tap on the eye comfort shields. You can make it adaptive or customize it. My schedule is 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. It's a really useful feature that I think you should be using if you use your phone at night. One thing that I found frustrating was that the apps did not continue onto the cover screen when I closed the phone. It's an easy fix. You just go into display settings and scroll on over to continue apps on cover screen. You can toggle it on for all of them or none of them and choose which ones you want specifically. It makes it a lot more seamless to actually use the phone when you know it's going to continue on. One thing I wasn't expecting with the Samsung was to be playing cute mobile games. I am not one to play mobile games. I never have been. I really never saw the point. But with the screen being so big, it's so much more enjoyable. I love how cute it is. You really don't have to do much in this game, but it is so much fun to upgrade items and pick up the tips and see them go around with their cute drinks. It's adorable. If you get the Samsung, definitely try out a few games. Maybe Snack Bar isn't for you, but try a few different ones, RPG, whatever it may be, because you never know. Having this bigger screen really does change how you interact with your phone and how you feel about it. It has me doing a lot more tablet-like things, way more than I used to. Coming from an iPhone, I was definitely worried about performance and battery life. I like to use my phone all day and I want to make sure that it actually lasts. I went into the settings and changed the battery performance, and I'll show you how to do that to make it last longer for you. Click battery, scroll down to more battery settings, and here you have the performance profile. You can choose standard or light. I chose light because I wanted to prioritize the battery life and processing speed. I don't game on here or do anything too intense, so it is absolutely fine for me to be on light mode. This way my battery stays full for longer. Your phone is here to help you make memories and remember them later on. Take as many pictures as you can, whether you're going out to a fun concert or you're just chillaxing on a Sunday afternoon. This is the first fold that actually folds completely flat, is super easy to use and super lightweight. I think it's amazing and one of a kind. I know when I got the phone, it definitely reinvigorated my love and want to take photos. So I am so excited for y'all to go out, take some photos, enjoy yourself.